Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how I make a few shades of pink with clay. And first I'm going to start with white Premo clay from Sculpey and also cadmium red hue by Sculpey as well, and that's Premo brand. So you want to find cutters. I would use a small one to start unless you have a huge project, but I start off by mixing colors using a very small cutters usually, just so I can kind of figure out what the color is going to look like if I like it, and then I can add more to it if I need it. So start off with 8 small white pieces of clay and 1 red. Mix it together until you get this color, and I'm not a huge fan of the bubblegum pink color that came out of it, so I'm just going to experiment. I'm adding 8 more pieces of white, and I will not add any more red. And I'm just going to kind of walk you through how I come up with a color, so then you guys can start making your own colors, and maybe this is helpful for that. Now mix this together again, and now we have a 16:1 ratio. And here's what it looks like. I like that a little better, but it still has that bubblegum kind of look to it, and I was hoping for a more of a nude color, so I'm going to add some more white. I added another 8, and now I'm going to mix it up and show you what that looks like. And that's a little better, still a little too pink for me. I want it to be lighter. So I'm just going to do another 8. And this is a really nice light pink. It reminds me of spring, so I would use this for some studs or mixing into something else, but I wanted to show you guys a nice dusty rose color. So the only extra step is adding 1 piece of the burnt umber by Premo, and you get this gorgeous nude dusty rose color out of that. So now I'm going to get 80 grit sandpaper just to add some texture and show you what a finished piece looks like. And I always use a flat surface to make sure that the texture is all over the piece. So I'm just getting a stamp that I have, and I'm using the back side of it, pressing down, and then I just rub my finger over the top to kind of make sure all of it was pushed down. And it creates this really pretty texture. Has kind of like a stone texture, like pumice. So I'm just making these studs to go with a new stud pack that I'm coming up with. And I'll show you a closer look so you can see just how the sandpaper texture is. And there it is. So here are the baked studs and the color laid out so you can see them together. Thank you so much for watching.